Hey everyone, I'm Josh from Steering South, and today we're talking all about making money while traveling full-time in your RV. How we make money and how you could too. Stick around. If you want to learn more about the full-time RVing lifestyle, including tips and advice on how you can get on the road too, please subscribe now and click on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any new content. So first I'm going to go through some great ways you might be able to make money on the road, and stick around to the end of the video where I tell you how we make money while traveling and can support this lifestyle. Maybe you have been thinking about living full-time in your RV and traveling the country without a permanent address. If so, you're going to need a way to fund that dream. I know of families who have sold their homes and are traveling the country just living off the money they saved from the house sale. Now this works, but eventually, especially if you're a younger family or a younger person, that money's going to run out. So you're going to have to find a way to make money while you're on the road. So what are some ways to make money while traveling? Number one, selling your own products. Maybe you like to make jewelry or art or bedazzled drinkware. If you already have a hobby like this or are interested in starting one, you can sell your products on websites like Etsy and eBay. A lot of people make money this way, and there's no reason why that same business can't follow you on the road. Collecting antiques from across the country and selling those products online for a profit is another way you could make money on the road. Number two on the list, traveling nurse. Now, of course, this option only works for those who are in the nursing career, but there are many families who will travel and stay in a specific location working at a hospital for a predetermined amount of time. Once they're done at that location, they head out on the road and travel to the next place and work at a new hospital. This is a great option if you're already a nurse or you're working to become one and you don't mind staying in the same location for a few months. The drawbacks could be not being able to go exactly where you want and being limited to more urban areas to be closer to a hospital. Number three, keep your current job. Okay, this one seems silly, but there are plenty of families out there who still work and commute into their normal jobs, but they will travel around the area that they work. If there are plenty of campgrounds and interesting places to check out within an hour or so of where you work, there's no reason why you couldn't park hop and visit all these different places and still drive into the place you work right now. Number four, job hopping. Maybe you only need enough money to get from one place to the next. If so, job hopping could work for you. So you save up enough from your current job to hit the road. Find a place where you'd like to hang out for a while and find a new part-time job. It seems like everywhere is hiring right now, from fast food places to home improvement stores, department stores. Everyone seems to be hiring, and not for terrible pay. This would be a good option for younger single people who don't need a ton of income to support themselves and would like to try out new jobs in new different areas. A big drawback would be missing out on the benefits a full-time career can offer, like health insurance. Number five, multi-level marketing sales job. Everyone has heard of at least one of these. Essential Oils, Pampered Chef, 31, these kinds of companies. All these companies offer partnerships where you would sell their products to potential customers and then you get a cut of the profits. You don't have to carry all the inventory with you either. Of course, having samples of the products to show off to potential customers is a must, but the orders are placed online and can be shipped directly to your clients. And a lot of these sales can easily turn into return buyers. Okay, finally, I want to let you know how we make money while on the road. I am an engineer for a company in Wisconsin, and I simply asked if I could work remotely, and they said yes. So yeah, I have been working there for over 10 years, and it's a relatively small company. But just because you think you wouldn't be allowed to work remotely at your current job, doesn't mean it's impossible. When we first started talking about selling our house and living on the road, I didn't think my employer would go for it at all. But they were actually very accommodating and excited to try it out. Since I was the first one in our company to work remotely, it did take some time to get everything set up, and we actually had to wait about a year from when I had first asked to when we could hit the road. We converted one of our 4 bunks in the back to a desk area for me with a door so I can shut out any noise when I need to. I hope this video has helped you and gave you some confidence in being able to make this lifestyle a reality for you. If you have any questions or if you work remotely and would like to share other ideas on how people can make money on the road, please leave it in the comments. Thanks for watching, and if you want to learn more about the full-time RVing lifestyle, including tips and advice on how you can get on the road too, make sure you subscribe now and click on the notification bell so you don't miss out on anything. How we make money on YouTube, bro. Maybe you can make some money.
This is how we make the money. And maybe you get a little bit for yourself. This is how we make the money. Maybe for you too.